A common question that I get frequently is whether having an ITIN obligates you to pay taxes in the US. What responsibilities come along with possessing an ITIN? In this video, I aim to provide a comprehensive answers to these questions. Hello everyone, this is Or, the founder and CEO of Legal Corporation. We've been assisting individuals from all around the world to obtaining their ITIN numbers. Before we dive into these important questions, I want to emphasize a crucial point as a legal disclaimer. I am not a tax advisor, nor I represent the IRS. The insights I'm sharing today are based on my extensive experience working closely with numerous individuals and collaborating with CPAs and certified acceptance agents associated with the IRS. To simplify, having or not having an ITIN does not determine your tax status. Whether you are required to file taxes or pay taxes in the US is primarily about your income, not on the presence of ITIN in your records. This common misconception often comes from US lawyers who think that the only purpose of obtaining an ITIN is for tax filing. However, it's crucial to understand that there are various reasons for obtaining an ITIN. For example, you can get an ITIN as a part of starting a new business. So I hope that US lawyers will understand and stop insisting that the tax filing is the only way to get ITIN for the non-resident. Now, what can happen is that your ITIN may expire if you haven't filed taxes for 2 consecutive years. But even if this occurs, it doesn't automatically mean that you must file taxes just because you have an ITIN. You have an alternative option. You can choose to renew your ITIN without the needing of filing a 1040 NR form. So if there's one critical responsibility to highlight, it's important to keeping your ITIN in an active status. You can achieve this by either fulfilling your tax obligations if you have a US source income or by following straightforward ITIN renewal process. Before you venture into these tax-related tasks, I strongly recommend taking a time to understand the US taxation. A similar question comes when individuals have a US LLC. They're wondering whether they need to file taxes when they own a US company. To get a comprehensive understanding of US taxation, I invite you to check my other video where I provide the in-depth explanation of owning a US company and the associated tax responsibilities. You can simply watch that video by clicking here.